How we doing, folks? James Farrer here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this mint condition 2018 BMW 316D SE Saloon. Let's take a quick look around her. Up front you have the BMW LED front lights, the front parking sensors, the iconic BMW kidney grille, the BMW spoke alloys on run flat tyres, the black trim surrounding the windows, the shark fin aerial up top. Come around to the back, you have the rear LED brake lights, the BMW 316D badging, the rear parking sensors with a parking camera, a reversing camera, sorry. You also had the automatic trunk, just a simple click of the key fob and she'll pop right open. Let's take a quick look at the interior. Now folks, that we're inside, you can see the BMW multifunctional sports steering wheel. This car is fitted with a sports mode, comfort mode and an eco pro mode. Also on board is the BMW teleservice, the BMW iDrive system, the manual transmission with the manual handbrake, 360 degree parking sensors with a reversing camera, sat nav navigation. The interior comes in a black cloth with a platinum trim finish, fully electric windows, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers, heated seats and many other extras. Now folks, that was just a quick look around this BMW 316D SE. If you have any questions about this car or any other car in our fleet, please feel free to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.